Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Chevy Equinox LTZ, stock number X692A. Only 61,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, crystal red in color. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, two-tone leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back, folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies and power outlet. Not only low miles, but very clean as you can see. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers. Again, only 61,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and height adjustable power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.